Hello, in this video, we will introduce overriding methods. Now, please note that the string method defined in the geometric object class returns the string describing a geometric object, the color, and its field. This method can be overridden to return the string describing a circle. To override it, add the following new method. So we are going to add this method in the circle class now. This is string. So you're going to add this right here. Now, we can also override the string method in the rectangle class. See, what we do here is to invoke the super.toString. So that's from the super class in the geometric object class. Additionally, we have the width, height. So width is, so this is the numeric value converted into string, and this height, numeric value converted to string. After this change, we are going to have this new class, named it circle override str, rectangle override str. So they are in this file. So if you open this file, now you can see here we have this string method overridden in the circle class. And same thing here, the string method is overridden in the rectangle class. So please note this, the name of the file is circle override str. That is all for this section on overriding methods. See you on the next video.